impressions of Cape Town are way more than we anticipated. Had really no preconceived conception about what Cape Town was going to be about other than what we saw on the internet. The people here, the local people, and everybody involved in Robertson and Kane, the photographers and so forth, have been the nicest people. The tour we had from the plant, these gentlemen right here behind us, just really gives you a sense of what it takes to put this boat together. There is so much love and patience and work that goes into this boat. Really makes the experience of owning a boat that much better. Being able to take a tour of the plant, I don't think everybody does that or can do that, but that was an important part of this trip for us, is being able to meet the individuals that are putting the boat together. We met so many different guys in the factory that really love what they're doing. I mean, they have a passion for this. We have a passion for the sea. This is our second Leopard. In 2002, we took delivery of a Leopard 47, sailed it all around the Bahamas for about 5 years, and then sold the boat. And we took all of our personal items off of that and put it in storage in Fort Lauderdale. I've been paying on that storage unit for over 10 years, keeping the dream alive.
And now it's come true.
Hoping that one day we have another catamaran, and here it is. Long time coming. This will be the last catamaran that we own because of our age, so there's not going to be another one. So we're so proud of this
Best for last.
Yeah, the best for last is God's done with life and boat. And cheers, everybody.
Cheers.
Thank you so much for making our dream come
so
true.
much.